Here's another small action habit to share with your team for a very common pain point with a very simple fix. Do you feel that ache under your shoulder blade, or maybe increasing pain in your shoulder? It could be your mouse placement. If you can't use your mouse with your elbows tucked into your side so your arms are nice and relaxed, if you end up reaching over to use your mouse, your shoulder is now elevated, you're probably having a small lean and twist of your back, and you're putting pressure on your shoulder when you're resting on your arm. So here's your check. You should be able to use your keyboard and mouse within the width of your shoulders. And to check that, we do the old I dream of Jeannie. Cross your arms and see if your keyboard and mouse are actually sitting within the width of your shoulders. How easy is that? And if they can't fit within that zone, then think about using a shorter keyboard without the number keys and using your mouse on your left hand side. That poor mouse placement is a really big trigger for that shoulder pain. So check it out when you get back to your workstation. And remember to pick up your A5 reminder card so it's easy to share these tips and tricks with your team and connect with me personally. I'd love to talk to you.